Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A90, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications, expand them, and look for the Hotspot Toggle, which for me is right over here. Now this is the default location of the toggles, at least for me, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Now once you find it, the first time around, you will need to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings. So from here, only tap on personal hotspot. And what I recommend changing is the hotspot password. Now without going in here, you have no way of knowing what the password is. Now you can just write this one down and use it, but let's be honest, it's not very user friendly. So what I recommend doing is removing it and setting up your own password. Now the password that you will set does need to have at least 8 characters in length. So there we go. Click on OK, and that's basically all you would need to change. Now hotspot name just basically shows you the name of the Wi-Fi that this hotspot will create, so that is what you're gonna be looking for. You can change that as well if you want to. So from here, you can turn on your hotspot either by tapping on a toggle right over here, or by tapping on a toggle. But because I have just enabled it, as you can see, because it's in blue right now, if I tap on it again, I'll just turn it off. So there we go. And when it comes down to turning it off, you don't really need to remember about it. There is a toggle in the settings for it. As you can see, turn off hotspot automatically. When no devices are connected, it will turn off automatically. Now there is a timer for it, which isn't really shown here, but I believe it's going to be something like from anywhere from 5 to probably 20 minutes. So if no devices are connected for whatever period, it will just turn off the hotspot, which you do want to keep on because hotspot does consume more battery and it most likely uses Wi-Fi antennas, as you can see. So when hotspot is active, you will be strictly running off of your mobile network. So anyway, that is how you can set up and utilize your hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.